Hi guys, my name is Indrian Susulmantruan. Here I will chat with the elementary school teacher in order to complete the final achievement of English lesson. I have been with Miss Putri. She's a teacher, Karamula Elementary School. Karamula Elementary School teacher not only one teach one subject but all subject, mathematics, Indonesian, social, etc. These are normal things in elementary school. Hello, Miss Putri. How are you?
I'm great, Mr. Indrian. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm fine too. Let me interview interview you a little.
Okay, sure, please.
Okay, first question for you. Why do you want to become a teacher?
The reason why I wanna be a teacher is I was interested in becoming a teacher because of the influence of my mathematics teacher in school. Mathematics is a subject that is difficult for me to understand the material, as you know. However, he took the time to explain the material in a way that made sense for me. He also helped me be more confident by ensuring that everyone has their own strength and weakness in studying. And his also acceptance and way of teaching inspired me to become a teacher. I want to be someone that other people, especially students, can rely on when going through difficult times.
That's a great answer. Sometimes people can make us or purpose for living.
Yes, that's right.
Next question. How do you motivate student?
Mm, Positive support and assistance is very important to maintain student motivation. Therefore, I always give awards or bonus when students show good performance. I don't want students to feel unnoticed or favored. Therefore, I always try to be fair and consistent with each student. However, I believe giving recognition to students when they do something good makes them happy and enthusiastic about learning.
That's amazing. Next, what do you like about teaching?
What I love most about teaching is seeing students I mentor succeed at higher school. The development, success, and happiness of a student I have taught make me feel satisfying with my life.
Wow, that's great ideology. I also happen to become a taekwondo coach, and I feel the same way.
Oh, yeah, is that true?
Yes, maybe that's what it's like to be a parent. I hope I can be a good parent someday.
Yeah, I hope hopefully that happened to you, Mr. Indrian.
Yeah. Next, could you explain how the learning of English language has developed in Indonesian in recent years?
In recent years, English language learning in Indonesia has seen many positive change. With increased access to technology, students can now learn English through various online applications and platforms. Additionally, the government has improved the educational curriculum by incorporating more English lesson from elementary school level.
Yeah, yeah. How do you see the role of teacher in this development?
In my opinion, teachers play a crucial role. Many English teachers are now more skilled and well trained thanks to various training programs and certificates available. These teachers not only teach English in the classroom but also inspire students to actively learn and practice the language outside the classroom.
Okay. Besides technology and the role of teacher, what other factor contribute to the development of English language learning?
Student exchange program and scholarship to English speaking countries also have a significant impact, I think. Student participating in this program has the opportunities to uh, learn to the language and culture directly, which greatly extends their language skill. Additionally, many language clubs and communities in schools and university provide students with opportunities to practice speaking English in real-life situations.
Okay, how about the learning of the other foreign language in Indonesian?
The learning of foreign language other than English is also becoming more popular. Language like Mandarin, Japanese, and Korean are gaining more attention from students due to the influence of pop culture and future career opportunities. The government and educational institutions are also beginning to provide more support for learning these languages.
Okay, thank you very much for your time and information. Do you have any final message for regarding foreign language learning in Indonesia?
Hey, my pleasure, Mr. Indrian. My message is that mastering a foreigner language is very important in this era globalization. I hope more students are motivated to learn foreign language and utilize all available resources to improve their skill. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Okay, my pleasure.
In the previous video, I interview Miss Putri. Now I will explain it in the form of a presentation. First, why English is important. First, international communication. English is the most common language used to communicate around the world. This makes it easy for people from different countries to understand each other. Second, education. Many learning research, scientific journal and reference books are available in English. Mastering English open access to global knowledge. Next, career and business. English is often a requirement in the workplace. Many multinational companies and international jobs require English language skill. Next, technology and media. Internet content, movies, and music and video games are available in English, so mastering the language broadens access to entertainment and information. Miss Putri is Caramulia elementary school teacher, but she not only teach one subject but all subject in Caramulia elementary school. She like about teaching because seeing the student she mentor success at higher levels, development success and happiness of the student she have through make she feel satisfied with she life. Inspiration as a teacher, she was interested in becoming a teacher because of the influence of the she mathematics teacher in high school. So she final message is that mastering a foreign language is very important in this era globalization. She hope more students are motivated to learn foreign language and utilize our available resource to improve their skill. Next, my response from the interview with Miss Putri. First, my response motivation to become a teacher. Inspiration to become a teacher. Miss Putri was inspired by her high school math teacher who helped her understand difficult material and boost her confidence. This inspired her to become a teacher and support her own students. Motivation students. She believes in importance of positive support and recognized by being fair and consistent. She ensures that all students feel valued, value, and motivated to learn. Next, joy of this. What she loves most about teaching is seeing her students success and develop. Their, their success and happiness bring her great satisfaction. Next, learning of foreign language. Interest in interest in language like Mandarin, Japanese, Korean is growing due to pop culture influence and career opportunities. The government and education institutions are also providing more support for learning this language. Maybe enough for me. Thank you for watching my video. See you.